Okay, here's an interesting example. I've still got B going up, but now the velocity is going into the plane. So the velocity direction is this way, into the plane, out of the back of the board. So how do we do it? Then we do this the same way we've done all the others. Let's do the palm method first. Thumb is velocity, fingers are B. So my thumb actually needs to point into the board here, into the board with the velocity. And notice how when I move the plane, I keep my hand nice and rigid. The hand is aligned with the plane. Doesn't matter what the plane does. If you're looking at your computer screen and the plane is like this, or you're working on a sheet of paper and it's down like this, the hand has to align with the plane. So, B is up with my fingers, and my thumb is in with the velocity. My palm faces to the right. My palm faces to the right. So the force on this charge is to the right. Okay, with the hand contorting method, velocity goes into the board, and see, this is it. This is great. Velocity goes in, magnetic field goes up, and you can see my thumb points to the right. Okay, velocity goes in, magnetic field goes up, and the thumb points to the right. Okay, that's the best I got, I think. And then with the other method, my method, the hand curling method, let's call it that. We have our hands like this. Velocity goes into the board, so I need to face my fingers into the board, and the magnetic field is up. So when I curl my fingers up, my thumb is once again to the right. My thumb gives me the direction of force for this method. Okay? If my hand had been facing down and my thumb pointing to the left, I would need to turn my hand so that when I close it, it pointed up with the magnetic field. So first with velocity, and then when it closes, it needs to point with the magnetic field, and then your thumb will be pointing in the direction of the force. Okay?